In this video, we will explore some amazing, unstoppable superfoods that can supercharge your health, whether you are vegan or simply looking to improve your overall well-being. However, it is important to always consult a medical professional before making any changes to your diet. Please hit subscribe. If you are not accustomed to eating vegan, you may experience cravings for protein and may not always feel as full. To maintain a healthy diet, it is crucial to understand which foods are nutritious and should be included, and which ones are not and should be avoided. Let's feast on the positive. Superfoods are known for their benefits in terms of longevity and mental clarity. First up, berries. They are packed with potassium, magnesium, vitamin C and K, fiber and prebiotics. These superfruits are not only low in calories but also extremely nutritious. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can even help fight against certain diseases. Next, we have grapes. The vibrant colors of red grapes, Concord grapes and black grapes indicate their high antioxidant content. These delicious fruits are rich in natural sugars and make for a great snack when you're craving something sweet. The skin of grapes contains resveratrol, which maintains collagen in your skin, keeping it tight as you age. Moving on to pomegranate. This fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients and is super rich in polyphenols, which possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that pomegranate may be beneficial in treating various inflammatory diseases and could potentially help prevent breast and skin cancer. It may also aid in reducing the formation of amyloid plaques in the brain and lowering blood pressure. Pomegranate has been used for centuries for its antimicrobial and antiviral effects, thanks to its ellagic acid and tannins. Next is mushrooms. These fungi contain antioxidants that protect our cells, especially our brains, from damage. Certain mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, are known to have anti-cancer properties. Mushrooms have been used in Oriental medicine for centuries to prevent and combat various diseases. They have an impressive list of medicinal functions, including antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, immunomodulating, cardiovascular protection, and many more. For more information on mushrooms, I recommend visiting the National Institute of Health website. If you enjoy this video, please hit subscribe. It helps us to make great content for you to enjoy. Spinach and kale have a huge amount of folate that promotes cardio health and helps prevent certain birth defects. Folate is necessary for DNA duplication and repair, which protects against the C word. Dark green leafy vegetables tend to be higher in protein and micronutrients, potassium and calcium that can strengthen bones and lowers blood pressure. Water, an often overlooked superhero. It could cool you off, warm you up, help cleanse you. Drink a lot of it. Water helps energize muscles. When muscles are not getting the fluids needed, they don't work as well. Serious, it keeps your skin tighter and smoother. Cold water is like caffeine. It stimulates your metabolism, unlike coffee, which stimulates and dehydrates you. Keep a bottle in your vehicle, your gym, and at your office desk. Remember to drink some every 20 minutes or so. We're talking about nuts. Don't ruin them by eating sugar candy-coated nuts. Nut powers include lower blood sugar levels, reduced blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels. They can also promote weight loss and high in protein. Olives and olive oil have vitamins and antioxidants which improve skin health and help your immune system. Caveat: jarred olives can be salty, so rinse them in fresh water. Superheroes need to be cleaned. Olives contain the compound, easy to pronounce, oleocanthal, which researchers have shown can kill cancer cells. Studies in humans have shown a link between consuming olive oil and reducing the risk of cancers. Avocado and its oil is another one that tops the list of superfoods. Avocado contains great cholesterol and so delicious. Normally cholesterol has a rap of evil, but what you get from avocado is super, and this is a go-to to feel satiated. Put it on sandwiches, burritos and pastas, or just eat the slices as a snack. When watching your salt, just mash avocado and dip your veggies into that. Of course, we have to eat quinoa. It is very healthy for you. Some companies are also selling it pre-cooked, mixed with other vegetables, stuffed in the Greek delicacy dolmus and in the canned food aisle. 1 cup provides 222 calories, 8.14 g of protein. Eat up! Garlic is a powerful item that fights infections, high blood pressure, fights the C word, boosts the immune system, and is the most economical items in the produce department. Garlic has a unique flavor. Your body will love it in the winter for cold and flu season. Garlic helps fight those nasty infections that get into your sinuses. You want to have a feeling of fullness after eating, not one that weighs you down, but a feeling that you've eaten. If you make a sandwich or salad, go with variety, a mix of textures and flavors that work together, elements of protein, fiber, and ones that are rich in different vitamins. With a salad, I personally like to have well over 10 ingredients. In a pinch, you could have less, but a salad can be your meal when you fix one with nutrition in mind. There are so many more superfoods. Eat well,